foodstuff now, maybe selling of foodstuff or even agriculture, for instance. Yes, if you're into agriculture, it is not just the maize, the rice, the beans that you are selling. It is also the satisfaction, the nutrients, the nutrition that your customers are getting from your products. That's value. So what is it? What is the benefits that you are getting from your product? That's value proposition. So in that segment, you highlight the benefits, the value of your products. So the second segment is the customer segment. Why is this segment coming second? It's coming second because the customers are very important. So if you don't have customers, you won't be in business. If you have wonderful, beautiful products, you have value, great value, but you are not, you don't have people to buy from you, you definitely not have a striving business. So this segment tells us who your customers are, and you tell us who your customers are by where to find them, who they are, what they do, which kind of people are your customers. Are they women? Are they men? Are they children? Are your products targeted at the older generation or the younger generation? So just give us a brief of your customer segment. So that's what customer segment is about. Where do they exist? Where can you find them? Because you need to understand them to be able to sell to them. Now the third segment is going to be the channels. So what do you mean by channels? Channels is the means through which you reach your customers. Excuse me. Now that you have been able to identify who your customers are, you have to be able to know how to reach them. So are they online? Are they offline? Are they in Lagos? Are they in Abuja? Where are you going to find them? So what channels, through what channels are you going to reach your customers? Highlight it, the channels that you're going to use to reach your customers. And then the fourth segment is the customer's relationship. So now when we talk about customer's relationship, we're talking about how you get your customers, how you keep them, and how you grow them. How do you intend to keep these guys? Is it through calls? Is it through messages? Is it through follow-up? Are you going to give them referral codes? Say, okay, if you refer someone to the business, I'm going to give you a code and you get a discount, or the person get a discount. Are you going to give them discounts? Are you going to call them frequently, check on them? Oh, I haven't heard from you in a while. Just how are you going to get them? How are you going to keep them, and how are you going to grow them? You know that a business, if you have a good customer relationship, then your customers will always refer people to your business. So how are you going to maintain a good customer relationship? Now we have the fifth segment. The fifth segment is your streams of your revenue streams. So when we talk about revenue streams, this is now where you tell us, just like stream is something that is flowing. How is money going to flow into your business? Tell us different ways that money is going to flow into your business, how you want to make money. You cannot tell us to say, I'm going to, this is by selling this, selling that, rendering after-sales services. Just tell us direct sales, I'm going to give freemium, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. So just tell us how the money is going to flow. So this is where you now highlight your different services that you are going to render, or your different products that you are going to sell. Yeah. So sixth segment is the key resources. So when we talk about key resources, we're talking about what are those important things that you require to operate your business. So finance, your machines, the people you need to employ, intellect, intellectual property, human resources. Do you need to get a license before you can function? So those kind of things, those are key resources. So things that you need inside your business. I want you to take note of the word inside, the things that are internal to you for you to be able to function as a business. Then we have the seventh segment, which is the key partners. So when we talk about key partners are just like key resources, just as they are external. So key partners are people like your suppliers, let's say somebody that partnered with you, giving you money to do your business, or someone that is external, a joint venture, strategic alliance, like somebody that is not inside the business but outside, but is supporting the business and helping it to function as a business. So those are your key partners. Key activities. So we have key activities, which is 8 segments. For your key activities, what we are talking about is like your operational plan, just like a highlight of your operational plan, how you run your business, what are the things that you do in your business, production, consulting, just the stuff that you do in your business, the different, how you provide with value to your customers. Those are your key activities: planting, harvesting, selling, distributing, marketing, just the different activities that are in your business. When you do your business plan, you see that you're fleshing it up. You're fleshing out your business model canvas, but you just take a highlight of the different things that you do. Then the last segment is the cost. When we talk about cost, we talk about cost structuring. Cost structuring is about stating the cost structure of the business. Like, what are the costs that you have to incur? All businesses incur costs. There are some costs that are direct, there are some that are indirect, there are some that are fixed, there are some that are variable. So fixed costs, what are your fixed costs? Fixed costs are costs that whether or not you make money that month, that period, you must incur those costs. Those are your fixed costs. So what are your fixed costs? Highlight them. Rent is a fixed cost. Salaries are fixed costs. When your staff will not hear, oh, I don't make sales, you must pay them because you have agreed with them. Your landlord will not hear that, oh, or the person you rent land from will not hear, oh, I did not plant, so I did not reap anything, or I did not harvest anything. You must pay. So those are fixed costs. But variable costs are costs that vary with production and with operation. So they vary. As if sales are high, they will be high. If sales are low, they will be low. So they go with sales. They are determined by sales. So that's what the business model canvas is about. If you have any questions, please do well to ask your questions. So I'm going to send the template and also a sample for you to use as a guide. Well done.
Baba, ina wuni? Sannu ba. Ina yake da nan sai ita zan ke ma bidiyon nan yanzu ta kira ni. Ta ce wani tura masa wanda aka yi. The walkway is still being done, so it should be done before evening.
It's